demonstrate it in counter from my perspective, and then front view so that you can see what it looks like. So the idea is we're doing 2 petals with one hand and 4 petals with the other, and then you can switch which hand is doing what. All you do is, so it's the same thing that you've done here. Yeah, there we go. It's this one, only on the front plane. Left hand is going to do 1, then 2, then 1, then 2, then left side, then right side, then left side, then right side. 5 more, 4 more, 3 more, last 2, and last 1. Now, bring your right hand to the left side, and then instead of going down and inspin, you'll go up and you'll do the 4 petal, top, right, bottom, left, 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 and 5 more, and 4 more, and 3 more, and 2 more, and last 1. And then to put them together, remember, this is staggered, right? So if you look at it from the side, your right hand on the left side is the crossing hand, so it's in front of the left hand. You're in split time. And then your right hand is going to go up while your left hand goes down. And when it crosses to the other side, the left hand will be in front and the right hand will be in back. Then the left will go up and the right will go down, and you come back to your left side. So right goes up, left goes down to the right side. Left goes up, right goes down, back to the other side. Right goes up, left goes down. Left goes up, right goes down. Right goes up, left goes down. Left goes up, right goes down. Right goes up, left goes down. Right goes down, left goes up. Right goes up. Right goes down. Right goes up. Right goes down and up and down and up and down and up and down. And that's the one where the left hand is doing the 2 and the right hand is doing the 4. So we'll go around 10 times, and 9 and 8 and left, top, right, bottom, 7 more, and left, top, right, bottom, 5 more, and 4 more, and 3 more, and last 2, and last 1, and 1 for good measure. And then the right hand is going to be going over the top, across the bottom from its own side, over the top, across the bottom, over the top, across the bottom, over the top, across the bottom, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 9, and 10, and 1 for good measure because we did it on the other side. And then if you put it together starting from the left side, again, it's still the same staggered thing where the right hand is in front. Only for this one, the right hand goes across the bottom first and the left one goes up. Then the left goes across the bottom and the right one goes up. And if you can't do it in all 4 at once, do the 2 positions and then go the other way. So, dun dun, dun dun, dun dun, dun dun, dun dun, and then try and do 1, 2, 3, 4, hold 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, hold 6, 7, 8, flower 2, 3, 4, until you can do it continuously. You just pick whether you're going to reverse from your left side or your right side, which of course you can do both, right? What might be useful for the reversal drills is doing a bunch of waka waka Pilates. And I know based on just practicing doing this sort of thing and then reversing on your right, reversing on your right, reversing on your right, reversing on your right, then reversing on your left, reversing on your left, reversing on your left, reversing on your left.